Hello, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to disable auto update on Windows. So let's get started. You will go to your search bar and you will search for services. You click on services and it opens this. And alphabetically we will go for Windows Update. It will be down there by W. And here we go. Windows Update. We will select it, right click it on Windows Update and it opens this. Then we go to the startup type and here is manual and we will click disable to disable it, and we go to recovery up here and by first failure we will choose it and click take no action. After we apply it and click OK, Windows will be no longer updated automatically. So guys, this is how you do it. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you need something, ask us in the comments, and see you in the next one. Bye!